Once upon a time, in a small, cozy village, lived a curious little rabbit named Sven. Sven was not like the other rabbits. He had a special gift, a glowing heart that shimmered when he was happy. One night, Sven felt a strange sensation. His heart began to glow brighter than ever before. He decided to follow the light, leaving his burrow behind. As he hopped along, he saw the stars twinkle brighter, the moon shine more beautifully, and the wind whisper secrets of the night. Sven knew he was on an adventure. Soon, he came across a magical forest. The trees were tall and ancient, their leaves glowing with a soft, warm light. Sven stepped into the forest, his heart beating with excitement. In the heart of the forest, he found a small, sparkling pond. In the pond, he saw his reflection, but something was different. His glowing heart was reflected not just once, but many times. Sven was puzzled. He leaned closer and saw that each reflection was a wish he had made. He wondered if this was the mystery of his glowing heart. Suddenly, a wise old owl hooted, "Sven, your heart glows because you spread joy and kindness. You've helped others, and now it's time to make a wish for yourself." Sven thought for a moment. He knew he already had everything he needed: friends, a home, and the magic of his glowing heart. So, he made a wish to help others when they were in need. With a contented heart, Sven hopped back home, his glowing heart guiding his way. From that night on, Sven's heart shone brighter than ever, a beacon of hope and kindness in the village. And so, Sven lived happily, spreading joy and kindness wherever he went, his magical heart glowing with each new friendship and every act of kindness he shared. The end.